So we decided to leave the drive shaft seal after looking at it again, and just keep an eye on it next time we go out for a ride. And then if it's bad and leaking, then it'll be kind of a winter project, I think. But for now, I got my new seals right there. So we're gonna go ahead and put those back in and put the quad back together. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of gear oil and just rub it around the edge of the seal so it goes in nicely. So just kind of put it around the blue part. And I'm going to take this small punch and just put it right on this metal part. Be careful not to hit the rubber. See, that's the actual seal part. Okay, I think we've got them in, finally, after 4 million tries.